Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness. And I've traveled down to Sikkim, and you'll be watching a lot of workouts, what we do while riding, and you'll also see a lot of beautiful places like this, what you see in my background. It's just amazing view, and I cannot describe this. I just woke up and got to see this from my balcony. So it's an amazing place, and you'll see a lot of workouts which I do while I travel, biking and touring, and what is required for the bikers to do. I've been joined by Krithika. So she's a martial artist, a biker. She travels around the country. She's done all India tour, and she's done quite a bit. She's done martial arts. She's a Kuchipudi dancer, Bharatanatyam dancer. She's done a lot of work across the country and spreading the culture and the need for fitness. So I was just warming up, and she dropped in, so I just stopped and started talking to her and enjoying the view. So we'll do a little more. Alright guys, we started with the king of exercise, the walk king. So just walking uphill. So it's really beautiful. A lot of people who are running early morning. You can see that in the background. And that's the view we get when we walk, right? Isn't that beautiful? When you walk in the morning, and people just waking up their cars, warming up, just walking uphill. I don't think there's any shops open yet. We thought we'll go have a tea and just come back. I think we'll have to walk quite a bit. We'll check out watch till the end. This is, you can say, walking is something which you can do anywhere, and you can enjoy it doing it in places like this. Guided us into going into a temple here, so we're trekking up. It's a steep trekking path. I see that caught with the down there. There's a steep climb, and there's water flowing on the side. It's really beautiful, dense. All right. It is so dense that we'll have to find a path this way. Alright, we'll catch you up there. Narrow path, climbing up, quite a steep climb, about 2 kilometers to see this beautiful Buddhist temple. There's one more here. There's 2 of them. Alright, we've reached the place, the temple, the first temple. We have a climb. It says it's a Japanese temple, world peace pagoda here. So, Vishwastan Shanti Stupa, which means world peace pagoda. There it is. And the temple there, the Buddhist monastery. Who wouldn't be peaceful here? Anybody would feel the peace. So peaceful, nice, quiet, bird chirping, and trees all around. Absolute nature's wilderness. And the path which we came through is amazing. We feel like we are Kung Fu Panda walking up the stairs all the way to the monastery on top. Yeah, it's gonna be amazing. Let's see. Let's climb that and take some pics and present it to you guys.